everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Madhushmita and you are welcome to Dio Wallet. So as you have read from the title, and this is the most requested video on my Instagram and on my YouTube channel as well. So today I'm going to review this beautiful palette, that is the Delanchi eyeshadow palette. Basically, I really wanted a beautiful colorful palette to do bright makeup look. This is why I am doing this video today. So I don't have a pigmented eyeshadow palette. I do have a James Charles palette, but still it's a very expensive palette, and I really wanted a very inexpensive palette I can use on an everyday basis, because you know जब makeup looks करती हूँ अगर खत्म हो जाएगा वो palette तो वो डर रहता है अंदर. I really thought to invest in a good eyeshadow palette. If you see my Instagram videos, then you know that I use the Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette a lot, and so many of you guys have also bought it from my recommendation. Like, I'm really glad that you guys are loving the palette, and I have seen all your beautiful looks as well. I mean, keep tagging me in your post and all. You probably should check Cuffs and Lashes, because they have so many affordable eyeshadow palettes. So I was searching for Beauty Glazed palette, and I saw this Delanchi brand was newly launched on their website, and I was like, ये कौन सा brand है, मैंने कभी सुना ही नहीं. So I did some research, YouTube obviously. तो मैंने YouTube पे search किया, plus I did search on Instagram as well, and I saw so many foreign artists have done it, like from Germany, from Australia. सारे beauty bloggers मिले जो उनके palette use कर रहे थे. So I was like कि let me just see this palette. Finally I have the palette with me, so I'm really glad to share it with you guys. Cuffs and Lashes से मैंने like I guess May starting से order किया था, May 1st या 2nd से order किया था, and I got it like around end of May. तो basically 3 weeks लगा, almost 3 weeks ही लगा पहुंचने में मुझे. पूरा सील होके आया था, and ये इसके अंदर था जो कि मैंने अभी निकाल दिया है. तो basically पीछे you can see सारे ingredients लिखा है, and it's written that it's cruelty free. Thank God it's cruelty free. So yeah, color coordinates type के है. If you open it, it looks something like this. I'm sure you have seen this palette on my haul as well, so you know how it looks like. तो yeah, color coordinate है, red है तो red है, orange, yellow, green, blue, pink and purple. So let me just quickly show you all the swatches of the shades, and then we are moving on to the review. I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Hope you guys like the swatches. I kept it as aesthetic as possible. So do let me know in the comment box which row you like the most. I really like the purple shades. Like purple row के सारे shades ना बहुत buttery and बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है. Like एक swatch में पूरा आ गया. So I really like it. And then I also really like the yellow row. Like yellow में जितने सारे shades हैं ना बिल्कुल चौकी या पैची नहीं है. They are not, एक स्वाइप में पिगमेंटेशन नहीं आया, बट इट्स ओके क्योंकि 2-3 बार अगर इफ़ यू विल ट्राई इट देन ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा. यू विल सी दैट इन द डेमो एज वेल. तो वो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. द थिंग दैट आई डेंट लाइक अबाउट दिस पैलेट इज़ द ब्लू रो. द रीज़न इज़ दैट कि इसमें एक ही मैट शेड है और बाकी जितने सारे शेड्स हैं वो सारे शिमर शेड है. लाइक आई वॉज होपिंग कि अगर ये शेड ये ब्लू वाला शेड मैट होता तो इट वुड हैव लुक्ड मच बेटर. एक रॉयल ब्लू शेड होना चाहिए. क्या किया ना, ये पूरा रो को ही शिमर कर दिया एंड एक ही मैट रखे. सो दैट वाज अ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. एंड वन मोर डिसअपॉइंटमेंट दैट आई हैव इज द mirror. I think this palette should deserve a mirror in it. Like I really like the palette, but mirror होता तो बहुत ज़्यादा travel friendly हो जाता, because I have seen 1200 and 1300 में भी जो eyeshadow palettes आते हैं उसमें भी mirror होते हैं, but इसमें mirror नहीं है. So without any further ado, let me just show you the demo. So I have already primed my lid with white concealer. And the concealer that I used is this Miss Claire Full Coverage Concealer, and this is in the shade Porcelain or Porcelain. I don't know how to pronounce it. Please forgive me. So I have already primed my eyes, and now we are going to play with this baby. So first I am going with pink, and then normal जो rainbow का shades होता है, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So I think I'm going in with the shade, this and this shade. मैं इसको थोड़ा mix करके लगाऊंगी. This is quite pigmented. You can actually build the color. मैंने बस थोड़ा सा ही लिया था, and this is quite pigmented. Now I'm going with the red, and this is the darkest red, so I think this would look good. This is also quite pigmented. I really like it. मतलब blend करना बहुत ज़्यादा easy है. So just apply all the shades, and then I'm going to give you my thoughts on it, because अभी बीच बीच में मैं बोलती हूँ तो मुझे disturb होता है, तो I don't want to irritate you guys as well. So I'll just quickly do all the shades, and then I'll just give you my opinion about it. Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? So I've applied all the shades right now, and all the shades are pretty pigmented. I don't know, but camera में ना इतना अच्छे से pop नहीं कर रहा है ये colors, but in real it's looking so damn good, guys. So yeah, it's actually very pigmented, I feel, and blending is also beautiful. Like मैंने बस एक swipe किया and it was totally blendable. I just really like this yellow shade. ये yellow shade बिल्कुल chalky या patchy नहीं है, because most of the time in any colorful eyeshadow palette, yellow and this bright colors like bright pink and bright orange kind of shades are really patchy and very chalky. But I feel that all the shades were pretty well. They are like, the texture is good. All the shades are quite pigmented. So let me just quickly do this eye, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I did the other eyes as well. So it's same. It looks pretty good. I mean, I really like it, how it looks like. So for the second step, I'm just going to do a cut crease, and in the cut crease, I'm going to apply this particular pressed glitter. I also need to see how this pressed glitter also looks like. So yeah, let me just quickly do this cut crease, and I'll be back. So can you see that cut crease? Oh my god, that looks stunning, right? Anyways, मैं खुद का तारीफ करना नहीं चाहती with the cut crease. So now we are going to apply the pressed glitter. First, I'm just going to try to apply my fingers. Like, I don't know how to apply pressed glitters, guys. This is the very first time that I'm applying it. So hope for the best this works. Ooh. Oh my god. Stunning. Oh my god, this is stunning, guys. So now I'm going to try using a brush. So this is a very flat kind of brush, so let me just use a brush. I think using a hand will do the job, because I don't think कि brush में इतना glitter आ पा रहा है, तो I'll just continue using my hands. आई थिंक अगर आप फिंगर से प्रेस glitter लोगे तो वो पिगमेंटेशन ज़्यादा आता है, एंड फॉल आउट तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. यू कैन सी बिल्कुल भी फॉल आउट नहीं है. यहाँ पे जो हुआ था फॉल आउट, जो मैंने ब्रश यूज़ किया था उसकी वजह से फॉल आउट हुआ है. सो आई डिड द अदर आई एज वेल, एंड in this side also have only used my hands and not any kind of brush, and as you can see there is no fallouts. So yeah, hence it is proof that अगर आप brush use करेंगे तो fall out होगा, अगर आप finger use करेंगे तो fall out नहीं होगा. And that is the demo of the Delanchi eyeshadow palette. Yeah, this is my final look, and I really like it. I mean, it really turned out to be so good. So do let me know in the comment box if you like this look or not. This is my Pride month look, and yes, जो face paint भी किया है मैंने Delanchi palette ही यूज़ किया है, and as you can see the pigmentation is really good on my face as well. Hot and simple में बोलूँ तो all the shades were very very pigmented. I really like them, and yeah, so they were not chalky. Fall out तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं हुआ except the प्रेस्ड ग्लिटर तो ऑब्वियसली वो थोड़ा तो फॉल आउट होगा ही, बिकॉज यू नीड अ ग्लू एज वेल. आई फील ग्लिटर का भी ग्लू आता है. So if you are a beginner, I would definitely recommend you guys to go for this palette. Or if you are a freelancer, or if you are a makeup enthusiastic just like me, then you should definitely go for this palette. I would highly recommend you guys. But the thing that I noticed today is that my Cups and Lashes mein I was searching for the eyeshadow palette to give the link, but unfortunately that is not available in Cups and Lashes anymore. It's out of stock. तो उससे सिमिलर वाले मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू पेशेंटली वेट फॉर द आईशैडो पैलेट टू be back in stock. I don't know बोलो स्टॉक में लाएंगे कि नहीं, but I hope they do. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this review, and do give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my light. Can I take you there?